Hi everyone, this is Loveena from Love Savings Journey. How are you guys doing today? And your girl is back with another video. Hey, see, I told y'all I was gonna try. Just adding a little extra 10% to, you know, being better in a lot of areas of my life right now, y'all. You know, we do what we can while we can, when we can. All right, let's count this money. So let's see, today we are stuffing some low income money right here, y'all. Let's see what we got. We got 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. These couple of videos, well, the videos might not be that long because I'm going to try to just stick to what I'm doing right now. I don't want to be all over the place. I want to complete Renzo savings challenges because his graduation is coming up and we want to get a boy something, okay, y'all? All right, so today we're going to put my emergency fund at $10. So we're going to add to that. Sticking to the basics, y'all. That's what we doing. Sticking to the basics. Because, honey, y'all know I'll be pulling out all these envelopes. So I'm adding 10. So now we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly but surely. Alrighty. Now we're going to do the Renzo Savings Challenge. Let's see. It's right here. So we are going to be doing the 1, 2, 3, 4 buckaroos. Yeah, y'all, it's only a little bit left, but you know, I ain't trying to overexert myself. I don't want to pay no rent or late fee this week. I mean, this month for the upcoming month. So we gonna see. Colored in the 4. Well, I should have X'd it. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna try not to pay no late fee. Hey, it's hard out here, but it's getting better. I hope y'all happy because I'm happy today. Okay, so let's see. He got 20. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. All right, we got $6 left. Then we're gonna start the $50 one for him. After that, y'all know what? I go back for so we can discuss my labs and stuff to the doctor. I read some of y'all comments. Y'all, y'all was feeling me. I'm gonna tell them, y'all. I'm gonna ask this lady before I change. I'm gonna say, you know, y'all, you know, I got mammogram results and stuff that I need. I got the fibroid stuff I want to get taken care of. Like, do y'all know how to read results? I mean, I don't know what happened here. Like, what's y'all, like, we can't have these mistakes and these issues and discrepancies. If I ain't got time, y'all tell me some stuff that's wrong and ain't wrong, honey. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Y'all leave in the comments. What should I do? Or should I just change doctors now? Run for my life. Like, run for my life, y'all. Okay, so now we're going to stuff my little envelope savings. It's 50 in here, 52, I think. It was the 100 envelope challenge, but I just broke it up. That Heather got me. So, okay, it's going to be 12, 5, 10, 11, 12. So it's gonna be the $12 envelope. Yeah, y'all, I don't know. I'm gonna pray about that, honey. I ain't got time to be playing with them. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave me a comment if you're new on your savings journey. Just stop by and say hey, and let me know if you got a channel so I can support, because I do support. All right, you guys, until next time. See you guys later. Bye.